In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete projects in Kaiber. If you're organizing your workspace or clearing out old drafts, removing a project in Kaiber is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact actions and share a few simple pointers so you delete the right item with confidence. First, log into Kaiber. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. A stable internet connection helps everything load properly and keeps the process smooth. Once you're in, look to the upper right of your screen. You'll see the Canvas dropdown. This control lists your available canvases or project spaces. Click the dropdown to expand it and reveal everything associated with your workspace. With the dropdown open, look for the canvas, the project you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one by checking its title and any details you recognize. Pausing here helps prevent deleting the wrong work, especially if several items have similar names or were created around the same time. Next, move your cursor over that canvas entry and click the three dots. This icon opens the context menu for that specific item, where you'll find actions related to managing it. It's the same menu you'll use anytime you want to quickly adjust or remove a single project. From that menu, select Delete. Choosing Delete removes the selected canvas from your workspace. Keep in mind that deletions can be permanent depending on your plan and settings, so be sure you no longer need the files, outputs, or references tied to that project. If you're working with teammates, it's a good idea to confirm that no one still needs access. When in doubt, you can archive your source materials or export anything important before you proceed. That's it. The project is now removed from your list. If you're cleaning up multiple items, repeat these same actions for each one. Open the canvas dropdown, identify the correct canvas, use the three-dot menu, and choose Delete. Taking a brief moment each time to double-check the name will help you move quickly without mistakes. To recap in one smooth flow, log into Kaiber, go to the upper right and open the canvas dropdown. Find the specific canvas you want to remove, click the three dots next to it, and select Delete. Follow these steps and you'll keep your Kaiber workspace streamlined, focused, and free of projects you no longer need.